Hi, my name is Orfelina Martinez, and I would like to speak with you about the main problem of society nowadays. All people we face crises, conflicts, and challenges because the social problem that we have. I listen the song. Where is the love? Dear Mr. President, and I like it, and I agree with this message. The world is full of the violence, vandalism, terrorism, and guns, and isn't a problem for years full our street. In the same way, in this day, we can listen about the racism. Isn't a problem in the past. A few days ago, George Floyd died for this, and the voice of the protests were listened and everywhere. Europe joined to the protests about this. And then, where is the love? The hate and the anger increase the leering, even to vandalism, okay? And then, where is the love thing? Other problem that we have in this day is the indigence. For example, in the song Dear Mr. President, the artist asked him, what do you feel when you see all the homeless in the street? How do you sleep? Will the rest of you cry? This is a social call. As a result, is disrespect, okay? Disrespect, materialism, and the lack of the values. Then, how can improve it? I think that with the kinds of gods and work in values as the honesty, equality, kindness, compassion, treating the people that way you want to treat it you, helping does it need, okay? And strong family ties. This is very important. The strong family ties listen the songs, okay? And my conclude about this is, I believe that the main problem of our society can improve if we get closer to God, work in our values, strong family ties. Remember that the base of the society is the family, and if we educate people to live in the society, we can give people productive. Our society will improve. Okay.